I watched a video early this morning. It gave me a lot of inspiration to talk about. And it was a professor talking to his students about why do we even come to school. And the answers were like having a career, like meeting new people, learning new skill set. They're all true. And he was like taking notes and writing down in the blackboard. But one thing that he find it, let's say, valuable is acquiring knowledge. And then the subject comes to, but then how do we learn? That's why I find it very inspiring. Today we live in a attention world. Everything is taking our attention, especially social media is in many ways it's killing this progress. So I just want to talk about a secret that is funny enough. It's a secret that everybody knows, but nobody's paying attention. And it's not about motivation or whatsoever, because you shouldn't find motivation in social media, in my humble opinion. But if you kind of embrace that thing, you will learn faster than 99% of the people. And I kind of break it down into some pieces. Number one is stop doom scrolling. And we all do doom scrolling, and take it as like a blueprint that you can apply just right away on your life, and stop doom scrolling. Because every scroll that you put on the internet is kind of a barrier, and we all need to start to replace consumption with creation right away. Number two is use what you have, because I think it's enough. We have more than enough. I have more than enough. Remember the free tutorial you already bookmarked the past week. That's enough. You don't need like new tabs or new tutorials, new courses. You need your focus and your actions. Okay? And number three is check your action steps. Don't just watch. See if that tutorial have some sort of exercises or mini projects. Since my YouTube channel, my tutorials in general have all downloadable things. Not to mention, I'm not talking about you should watch my videos, they are the greatest. All I'm saying is, like, if you find valuable information on the internet, either in this channel or in another channel, just, okay, bookmark it, but take action. Because that's basically where the learning happens. But is that enough? Definitely not. And number four is give yourself a time frame. Because you cannot believe how your brain can be more creative if you put yourself a time constraints. Number five is start doing immediately. No excuses. You have the time frames, you start to do immediately. Because learning starts when you stop watching, consuming, and start to taking an action. Don't forget that. Number six is reflect right away. You know the famous hedge fund manager Ray Dalio said once, pain plus reflection equals progress. That's kind of my motto. I love it. So reflect right away. Once you finish it, take a pen, take a notebook, start to write, and write like what worked, what didn't, but just write. You cannot believe how valuable still the writing skill is. And we are, unfortunately, forget about writing physically. Humanity is right now lagging to write simple emails. We ask everything to AI. AI is great, but up to one point, because like pills are great, but if you rely on pills, they are not. So start right away. All the action steps and everything. What else? Number 7, turn reflection into creation. Share your notes. Okay, don't be shy. Share your notes. It's either LinkedIn or tweet about it, asking on Reddit, whatsoever. Share your progress. I'm in the same boat, by the way. I'm learning things. I'm learning how to film myself and how to acquire knowledge about this thing. Number 8, learn from the replies. Some people love to teach, like myself. I teach in a private course, in-person course in London about UI design systems, especially in Figma, and right now AI with UI in general. Some people love to teach, and don't be shy about asking questions. So I have done your tutorial, this is my output, but I cannot figure it out, like how can I do this thing better? Or if you don't understand, just ask about it, right? Don't be shy. Number 9 is find a mentor. I normally don't have a lot of regrets in my life, but one thing that I would do differently when I start this profession, which I've been doing UI for 20 years. Again, in 2002, when I first delivered my first project, there were no term called UI or UX. Users were not involved. So anyhow, all I want to say is find a mentor or a teacher or someone, surround yourself with like-minded people who are hungry to learn, because I am still hungry to learn. I call myself a forever student and kind of embrace that role. Being a forever student will keep you motivated, definitely. Number 10 is the true secret of learning. Well, the true secret of learning is doing over and over and over again. That's why like pilots need 10,000 hours at least flight to sit as a assistant pilot. I might be mistaken. Don't quote me on that, and fly. Number 11 is like stop collecting inspiration because you have way more than enough. And think it that way. Every post that you save or bookmark without an action, it becomes like a dream that kind of never happens. Just review it, do it, reflect and repeat. Don't stop. Number 12, feel the frustration. I cannot stress this enough. Embrace the frustration. It hurts, but like congratulations, you are learning. The real growth hides under confusion, and basically embrace it. Number 13 is reflect, breathe and repeat, and do not stop, and do not let other people stop you whatsoever, because you have a mission. You want to learn, you want to reflect, you just acquire the knowledge, make it a wisdom over time. Number 14, you don't need to be a master. Take my example, for instance. I have been doing UI for 20 years, but I have been doing YouTube for the past 3 months. Basically, too far away from calling myself a beginner. I am testing this thing out. As long as I enjoy, I will keep on doing it. But I'm loving it so far. So you don't need to be a master about what you are doing. Just embrace it and follow the blueprint that I already talked about. Number 15, learning is a lifestyle. So surround yourself with real learners, not a chore. It's ongoing and it's joyful. Number 16, Learn the new way. Forget about the old school grind. The new way is quite simple. 4 pieces and 1 missing piece. Just do, reflect, improve, and repeat. The 5th piece, the missing piece, is never quit. And I'm going to take a reference from Dea, one of my favorite YouTuber. She's great at storytelling. Anyhow, shout out to Dea. She offered that book, and I read it right away. The Dip. Never ever quit. So again, do, reflect, improve, and repeat, and never quit. Same goes to your tutorials on internet, right? You find it, you just do it, and you never quit. Easy as that. So I want you to do one thing. You don't need to like, you don't need to comment. Just if you want, you can bookmark for the last time, but just do. So all these steps that we have been talking about is connected to one thing only, which is doing. I want you to stop everything that you have, the doom scrolls and whatsoever, bookmarks. Close this app, close YouTube, close Instagram, close social media, start taking action, and see the results. And if you want secondary book opinion, secondary book that you needed to have, I don't have it with me, but I read it already. The Compound Effect is the best. So if you do all these steps, read these 2 books, you will thank yourself in the future. Definitely. I hope that helps. Now, let's close and start to do. See you on the next one.